You know, I know, 5 prioritized accomplished actions is worth way more than 50 planned actions that are never completed. An action log is the tool that helps you manage your actions. Let me turn the floor over to Lucy, another 3D Lean expert, to explain in detail.
Well, Ginny, above all, a single action log is attached to his or her team board because a team that shares common goals shares only one common action log. Action logs help you organize and plan short-term actions from an operational perspective.
Tell us how to use it, please.
So an action log automatically centralizes all actions entered into 3D Lean. For example, during a daily meeting, you can take an action that you immediately qualify by tagging it. Because you need to organize and prioritize, you can modify the action log view here, by priority. To better plan, switch to the weekly plan and filter by urgent. Each team member takes responsibility for their own actions. Action log also allows collaboration between teams. You can send actions to another team board.
Are there any ideas to involve the team?
Good question. So good prioritization equals an achievable action plan. An action plan carried out on a daily basis equals a committed team.
Success is in your hands.